Hey lovelies, so I just wanted to come on here and share with you my skincare routine. I do this both morning and night. I start off by cleansing my face with a MONAT B Balance Foamy Cleanser, which contains alpha hydroxy acid, which smooths and protects the skin, as well as antioxidants that protects and shields the skin. I like to use a paper towel to dry my face. It limits the transfer of bacteria that may be trapped in a towel. Then I like to prepare my face for moisturizer by using the Skin Revitalizing Essence, which contains beetroot extract, which nourishes and protects the skin. After that, I like to go in with the Rewind Age Control Nectar, which is basically a serum, and I use this only at night, which targets fine lines and wrinkles and give you a more youthful, radiant, even skin tone. Now I'm going in with my Monet Eye Smoothing Nourishing Eye Cream because it has caffeine, it depuffs and brightens under the eyes, and it has peptides which tightens and plumps the skin. It also comes with an iron roller which I use to massage the area, which in return helps to tone the muscles. Then lastly, I'm going to replenish my skin by using the Be Balanced Lightweight Moisturizer, which has hyaluronic acid, which is such a moisture magnet, and it also has ceramides, which supports the skin's barrier and hydrates. Now, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and share the knowledge, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!